Assalamu alaikum. You're looking at the Underground Railroad TV show. We come on every Saturday night at 10:30, and I got the opportunity to interview two different generations. Okay, and first is the Sheikh, and it is an honor to interview a Sheikh just as much as it is the honor to interview a young person. And please, thank you for consenting to do the interview, both of you. And Sheikh, please tell us your name and what mosque you go to, and this will be on YouTube, an Underground Railroad TV show on Channel 19. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Sheikh Abdul Kareem Muhammad Ahmed Istanbul, and I born in Philadelphia and raised in Philadelphia. Studied in many places. Had many great teachers. One of my main teachers passed away now, but he was from Philadelphia also. His name Muhammad al-Haris Abdul Aziz.
Yes, sir.
He was born in North Philly, 12th and Glenwood.
Yes, sir.
And he spoke 26 languages, which was phenomenal. And I remember when a friend of mine from Sudan years ago, who was a student here at Temple University in Philly, and he said, you know, Abdul Kareem, you know, he said, the things that Muhammad know about Sudan, he said, you will only learn them, you only know them if you're born there.
Yes, sir.
Yet he knows them.
Sir.
You know, I said, well, I'll tell you something else about him. He said, what's that? Every day, you know.
Yes, sir.
He said, what's that? I said, the language y'all spoke before you spoke Arabic?
Yes, sir.
He learned all 3 dialects. Matter of fact, he was a radio announcer in Sudan. And, you know,
be the law.
You know, but he spoke Arabic fluent, you know. Matter of fact, he used to tell me he used to dream in Spanish.
Yes, sir.
You know.
Oh, that's unusual. That's unusual.
Matter of fact, in 19, I think give you a little quickie. I know his name can't be that long, but anyway, in 1960, during Ramadan, he said, Abdul Kareem. I said, well, he said, man, a boat came in today from Nigeria. I said, yeah. He said, you know, the Muslim boy from Nigeria. I said, yeah, probably is, you know. He said, you want to go down? I said, yeah, we can go down. Went down to Pier 98. I still remember Pier 98. The ship was called the Korean, you know. And we got there. At that time, you know, big freighter was docked there.
Yes, sir.
The ladder going way up. I just had to walk all the way up.
Yes, sir.
And so we seen this guy standing at the top. I mean, big dude. He must have been about 6'5", 6'6", you know. And of course, we don't know anybody. You know, we're strangers, you know. So I said, okay, let's go, you know. So I said, Mom, you go first, you know. I think if anything happened, I'll be able to jump, you know. I mean, break camp real fast. I mean, you know, down at the bottom of the steps. He used to walk the steps. Now, him and I hung out every day.
Yes, sir.
I never knew he knew Yoruba.
Praise be to Allah.
I speak Yoruba, you know.
Praise be to Allah.
So we get to the top, he says, the guy says, you woven so Yoruba. You speak Yoruba? I said, Beni. He said, Imalini woves? You speak? He said, Imalini me. So you Muslim? You get some Muslim? He said, Salaam alaikum, wa alaikum salam. I said, what did this happen? Now, this is a guy I'm hanging with every day and don't know what he knows. Because he was so humble.
Yes, sir.
He only use it when the occasion arrives.
Yes, sir.
That's when he use it.
Yes,
when
sir.
they was in one of the main stores in Philadelphia, Strawberries and Clothing, 9th and Market. And we just walking through, we go like this there and browse. And this couple, they have one guy, a guy, 2 women walk past, walk past us. And when they walk past, they were speaking, I could tell it was a Slavic language.
Yes, sir.
I knew it was Arabic, you know. So he said, actually, wait. I said, what? He said, wait. So he runs back to them. I said myself, you know, they wasn't speaking no Arabic. I knew that. What's the rush? Why are you going back to them, you know?
Yes, sir.
So I get back to them. I walk back up to them. He's talking to them. And you should, if I could just capture the picture, the facial expression they had, when they saw him speaking their language.
Yes.
And he was talking like them. And they'd be like, what the? And when we walked away, I said, Mom, what were you speaking? He said, that was Russian.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Excuse me, young man. Assalamu alaikum to you too. And can you tell us your name and what mosque that you belong to, and why should young people gravitate towards Islam?
My name is Marquise Cobb. My biological name is Marquise Cobb, but it's changed to Abdul Malik Aziz Muhammad. and I go to Masjid al-Sabakun in Chester, Pennsylvania. And children my age and younger should rush towards the religion of Islam because it is imperative. Why it's imperative? Because it instills the love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, God, in their hearts.
Yes.
And most of these youth are godless, going godless acts.
Yes.
So it is obligatory that they should come to it. It teaches them discipline, it teaches them love of the Creator and their purpose in life.